Alright, so you're watching this for support. So I want you to understand how to do this so you can answer the next question on your own. So we have two vertex right here shown, right? This red and this red dot. And it says which ordered pair could be another vertex of a rectangle. So what's unique about a rectangle is a rectangle have two sets of parallel sides. So all you have to do is make a perfect rectangle. So we want to select the correct answer. So a rectangle is only going to have 1, 2, 3, 4 vertex. So we should only select two other answers because two of the vertex are already here. So we want to literally make a rectangle. We cannot go past these points. So if we draw a line, and we want to go over, but we do not want to pass this point. And then I have to go from here down, but I cannot go past my other point because I'm making a rectangle. It has two sets of parallel sides. Then I'm going to go from here over, but I can't go past my point there because I'm trying to make a perfect rectangle. And then I need to go from here down, boom. Look at that rectangle. Now all I need to do is figure out, well, what is this vertex right here? And what is this vertex right here? That's going to be my answer. So remember, the x-coordinate tells you how far to move left or right. So to get to this point right here, I have to move to the right 2 units. Boom. How far did I have to move down below the y-axis? So in between -2 and -4 is -3. So there's my first answer right here. Boom. -2, -3. So if this y-coordinate is -3, that means this y-coordinate is also -3 because you have to move down the same number of units below 0. Start at 0, you have to move down 3 units to get to this point, and you have to move down 3 units to get to this point. So they have the same y-coordinate. And then this is the other vertex that I need. So if I start at the origin 0, 0, I need to get my x-coordinate. So how far to the left or to the right did I have to move to get to that point? So since it's to the left of the y-axis, I know I need to move to the left, which means my x-coordinate is going to be negative. And it looks like it's halfway between -4 and -6, so that's going to be -5. Now I need to figure out, well, what is the y-coordinate? And I could eliminate all of the other ones. Actually, I can eliminate all of them because they don't have -5 as the x-coordinate. So I have my answer, but let's look at how did I get that 8? Well, the y-coordinate tells you how far to move up or down, so we had to move up 8 units. So yeah, the y-coordinate is 8. So this is the other vertex that you should pick here. All right, and since we had to move up the same number of units along the y-axis for both of these coordinates, they're going to have the same y-coordinate, which is 8. So you have your 2 vertex right there. You should not select more than 2 because you already had 2 points right here. So you only had to pick the other 2 points. And I want you to pay close attention. Notice that -5 was used twice. 8 as a y-coordinate was used twice. 2 as an x-coordinate was used twice. And -3 as a y-coordinate was used twice. So whenever you're making a rectangle on a coordinate plane, you're going to have each x-coordinate, 2 x-coordinates values and 2 y-coordinate values. Each will be used twice.